Hi friends, I received this LETTON backseat extender for pets, for your car, for reviewing purposes. I want to show you, this is really, really nice. It will help you to get your pets in the back seat of your car and keep it protected and clean. It comes, well, this is a full seat extender. It is really, really large, enough for any kind of car. It has this carrying bag, if you want to take it with you. And it brings this floor part that you put inside these bags. It has this band to protect it when your pets are here. And this will give your pets a firm floor, okay? Then you put it in the back of your car. You create some kind of a canopy with it. Okay. Hope you get the idea. This goes to the front of the car. So if you are driving, you can see your pets. With these straps, you will hang it from your front seat's headrest. Okay. And with these straps, you will hang it from the back seat headrest. Okay. And you can use these other straps to hang the sides from anything that you have in your car's ceiling. So the dogs will be riding safely, really comfortable. Your car will be clean. Anything that your pets leave behind, hair, or if they relieve themselves in the trip, will be here. And you can actually put this in the washer, obviously getting the floor parts first out. But the fabric, you can put it in the washing machine. So, well, this is a nice unit, and we're going to test it with our pets. Let's go.